Still early, but as you can see, some teams are already on their marks. Kaizer Chiefs beating Polokwane City 1-0 at home. Stellenbosch there with a goal first in Kaizer Chiefs colours. Sekhukhune United just repeated what they've done to TS Galaxy in a previous meeting, 1-0 this time around. Bradley Grobler finding a goal again. This guy, if he can stay fit, I feel like he can get some double-digit. Magesi FC denied Stellenbosch 3 points. But hey, Durban City, second successive win in the BETWAY Premiership. Let's look at the league log, guys. Here you go, Durban City leading there, Kaizer Chiefs second, and followed by Marumo Gallants at the top. Hey, there are top 4 teams that are fighting relegations, or top 3, or I don't know what to call them. Polokwane City, Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates, bottom of the log, fighting relegation. I know it's not a good start for some teams, but some teams are enjoying good start. But it's still early, man. It's still